What is that, Dilly?
Rocket ship.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Can you open it? So Dylan get his present for Kids Day. Kinderdag. So you can open your present.
Yes.
Sit down. Are you sure? What is in there? Are you sure? I don't think so. I think it's clothes.
Whoa! What is that? Rocket ship.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
Is that what you wanted?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Aww. Let me see. Show me. Wow. And you want that?
Yes.
Oh, what do you say?
Thank you, Mama.
Aw, I love you. Kiss, kiss. Mwah. Like this?
Yes. Hello, look a poop.
Hey, tell them what you got. Say
What?
hello. I got a rocket ship.
Hello, and I got it what?
From who? From Vlad. And now what, kiddo?
What is the time? Need to guess.
Let's find out. Oh. So what you got?
Vlad and Niki. Mama, open.
That's the rocket from the inside. These are stickers. Can I have those? I have to open those too. You have 2 more bags. So the rocket ship contains 2 vehicles, 4 action figures, 1 sticker sheet, 1 tattoo sheet, and water squirting hose. Okay, this is water squirting hose, kiddo. Yeah, okay, let's open this one.
Zero.
So as you can see, we have 4 figures. Here you go. And this is one of them. 4 figures of Vlad and Niki. And here we have the, I assume these are the 2 vehicles with the water hose.
Okay.
And this thing is really cool though.
Need
Just
the
like this.
Oh.
Here you go. So here are the stickers. So you can just put it on the rocket, or I think inside it, right? What do you think, Dylan? I'm not so sure. I think we should put it inside, right? What do you think? So we have to like look it up and then see where we can put it, right? We already placed the stickers, and this is how it looks like from the inside.
Ah.
Are you gonna play?
Yes.
Okay, let me see you playing. Come on, play. Over there. Hi. Well, I'm Vlad. Where's Nikki?
Yay.
Yeah. Go play.
Yes. Four. I thought you go to the market. Fun. Let's go. Let's go find it. Okay. Ow. Let's see. Okay. Hello. Okay.
Alright, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up.